Welcome to the LinkLeap AI training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for your event in LinkLeap AI. Just select the event option. Now you are in data entry section. Just add basic details like event name, organizer, registration links, event description, contact person details, name, mobile, email, location details, maps, location venue, date and time breakdown. Your event's description. Social profile URLs. Now add colors and background. Register button. Add to calendar button. Lead form. Images. FAQs. Advanced. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.